Apache OpenOffice Writer 4.1, Changing or editing a style. To edit or modify a style that already exists in your document, for example, the style strong emphasis, we're going to select strong emphasis from the Styles and Formatting pane, right-click and select Modify from the menu options given. We're going to change the font effects to red color, font to Century Schoolbook, bold italic 14 point in size, and select OK. You will see that the text that has the formatting of strong emphasis is immediately changed to the new format.